If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. One way to see a report on your QuickBooks data is to create a quick report. Quick reports are pre-designed reports that display information about the items you are currently viewing on screen. Whenever you have a list, a register, or a form displayed on screen, you can click a button or hyperlink to have QuickBooks create a quick report on the data displayed. For example, if you are viewing the vendor list and you want to see a transaction history for a selected vendor, you can create a quick report. To do this, select the vendor's name from the vendor's list within the Vendor Center, and then click the Quick Report hyperlink in the upper right corner of the Vendor Center. Alternatively, you can select Reports, Quick Report from the menu bar. At that point, you'll see a quick report appear that lists your transactions with the selected vendor for the current accounting period. You can also generate a quick report on any form displayed in QuickBooks or on any selected record within a list by simply pressing Ctrl+Q on your keyboard with the form displayed or the list entry selected. The quick report will display within its own window, which you may close when you are done viewing the report by clicking the small X in the upper right corner of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.